It's Adventure Day! You ready to go on an adventure?
Yep, I'm ready.
We are here at Lewis's Farms in New Era, Michigan, and we're gonna go pet some animals.
Food here to feed the animals.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of food.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what kind of animals we'll find, but let's go see.
H2O.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. Alright. This is the hand washing station over here.
Wash up. Swing along. Oh, sing along. Sling along. Yeah, they got some hand sanitizer.
Here, wanna hold it? I'll wash my hands up.
Yeah.
Step on bar.
Oh, step in the bar.
Oh boy.
Wash those hands. Oh, dang.
On the farm, we wash our hands. E-I-E-I-O. And on our hands, we use some soap. E-I-E-I-O. With some soap suds. And some more soap suds. With some soap suds here and some soap suds there.
You can do it.
Here's a scrub, there's a scrub, everywhere's a scrub. Now it's time to rinse and dry. E-I-E-I-O.
I like that. It's like a rain bar. I like that. I had that like that in the shower. All right.
Oh my goodness! Ah, that's so cool.
Oh dang.
Hi, Miss Mama. Hi. How are you there, Mama?
That's a good one, thank you.
I don't know how to feed a llama, but he sees my food.
Oh, hi there, you scared me.
I don't know how. He's not gonna. I don't think he can bite me with those crooked teeth.
Hi there, buddy. Hi there, baby llama.
You're gonna take the whole thing. Oh, you got a snotty nose. You got cold?
Do you need a mask? Where's your mask, llama?
There's some snot on there.
Okay, or spitting. There's a sign back here, I think. There's a sign back here, Mr. Llama. It said no spitting. He's a sleepy llama.
He just came in like, give me that food. He's got no manners. That's enough to steal all our food. All right, let's go see the goats.
I didn't realize there was a real goat up there.
It is.
Oh, Mama, look at the little
I didn't think so either.
Oh yeah, it was mostly the thing.
Are you looking at the
Does not want to focus very well. Yep, there's a little goat up there. King of the barn. Look at this. Are you feeding them? Is that what that is? The feeding cup? That's awesome.
That's what this is for, right?
It's gotta be. He's like, come on, I'll help you. He's like, get that food up here. Hurry up. That's awesome.
Did you get it?
That's awesome. Look at this little guy.
You want the food too?
Looks like a little. Oh, look at him.
Don't get your head
Yeah,
stuck.
don't get your head stuck in there. I think I can pet you, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, they're all coming now.
At the petting farm. Donkey!
little donkey.
Hi, donkey.
Oh, you gotta feed this other goat first.
I'm sorry I didn't go.
Yeah, I'll feed you. I got my hand.
Hi, Nippy donkey. It is. Yeah, I just moved my handle.
Nope.
How
Yep.
are you today?
This one's like, oh, you
this
missed
one's
me.
So pretty.
You forgot me?
Did you get them? I don't want you to bite me.
No, they won't bite you.
They won't bite?
Not hard.
No, alright, okay.
No. You put your hand low enough.
There you go.
What the heck that? It's made a weird noise.
Oh, you don't be a bully goat.
Boy, a bully goat.
Don't be a bully goat.
Good one.
Hold on, hold this for me. I like you. You look like a cow. Oh my goodness, guys, we have so many more animals to go see though.
Yeah. There's plenty of people who are gonna feed you today. I gotta see this donkey though. What's your name, donkey? Oh, don't chew on that, it's
Don't
metal.
go on the fence, dude.
Can I pet you? You're so big.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check out what else.
Super sad that you don't talk.
Awesome jungle gym that these animals have. Look at that. Kind of jealous. Wish I had that when I was a kid. These are all the names of the goats, I believe. Pudge, Waddles, Waddles probably, Gump. Look at this guy. I wonder who he is. It's creepy. Just sitting in the corner. He's on his way up there to get some free food. That's where the little goat sat.
So these are pygmy goats. They're small, horned goats with short, smooth coats. They range from color from gray and black, brown and white. Both females and males have horns.
This guy's trying to get your attention. He's like, just give me some food. He has some crazy eyes, like.
Can you share? Be nice.
He's like,
You are a little crazy.
no one has fed me all week long.
Liar.
You're the first person.
Liar. I know you got fed. Look at your little goat beard. Look at your little goat beard.
Yeah, who wouldn't want to feed someone with that goat beard? I got two that fell on the ground. Here you go. Little tongue go. There's this creepy guy who's been watching us the whole time. Be nice, or you'll get the boot. That's what this guy says. Okay, so we made it out of the goat barn. And it looks like there's probably a lot more goats out here, but we gotta keep moving because there's lots to see.
That's a nice little area.
Nice little bench to sit at.
Look at this one.
What's that? Is that a chicken?
Is someone making all the noise?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, it's a rooster.
I think they're
It's a boy, it's a rooster.
mating.
Okay, we're just gonna leave these guys alone. I don't know what's going on in the corner there. Some freaky rooster things.
Yeah, those are the different kinds of eggs. A little bit of a glare on it, but holy eggs! Would that feed you for breakfast?
I'd feed the whole family. By family, I mean me, you, and both the dogs.
And the girls. Oh, look at this one.
That looks very pretty. I've never seen
Pretty
that.
you are. You can see it.
I don't know what it has around its mouth. I don't think it's natural. Oh yeah, it looks like it's like a muzzle for a chicken.
Chicken?
The chicken muzzle.
Were you a naughty bird? Oh, were you a naughty bird?
Very pretty. It looks like a parrot.
We found more goats. Hi, Mr. Goat Friends. Or Mrs. Goat Friends. The goat chilling on the truck. Oh, let's see if we can get one of them to put their heads through here.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, yes.
That's awesome.
You gotta give them some food.
Not the whole cup.
He ran away as soon as I was trying to get a picture. Hey, do you know how silly you look right now, Mr. Goat? Do you know how silly you look? Oh my goodness, that's so funny. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh, look at the camel over here. The camel and the donkey are like biting each other. Hi, Mr. Camel.
It looks like a miniature camel. But they get huge. I've never seen one like this close.
Sally, the camel has one
it.
hump.
You want some? You not that hungry? Oh, he's really gentle.
Ooh, a gentle dude. Can we get you out in the sun where it's easier to film you?
No, I'm trying to stay cool. Look my cool hairdo I got. A little kind of curly hair.
He's like, hi friend. I hear you, donkey.
Don't have a cow.
One second.
Oh, little baby donkey.
He's got really furry lips.
He does.
It's really weird. It doesn't feel slimy or nothing. It's like really dry and furry.
Well, let me feed you, Mr. Camel.
Yeah.
Pickles. You have really big eyeballs.
Big eyeballs.
And cute little furry lips. Mwah. You're so cute. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed your snack.
Alright. Bye bye, donkey. Or I say donkey.
That's not a donkey.
Camel. This guy's very demanding. He says, I'm trying not to bite you.
Why? Why are you eating the fence? Oh, you're being mean, donkey.
What's in this mysterious barn?
Do, 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 do.
Stall number 1.
Oh, no. Not
more
you
goats.
again.
Man, this guy is just like taking us for all we're worth.
Not you again.
Sorry, buddy. You already had enough food, I think.
There's more animals to feed.
Oh, well, it's dark in here, but yeah, I think it's just a barn for the goats, so they can get some cool. Oh yeah, little guy. One day we're gonna have some goats. Goats are cool, right?
Look at your beautiful velvet. Look at your beautiful velvet.
This, on the other hand, is not a goat. Oh, he said, "Get away from me! That's my food."
You're beautiful.
I believe it's just
The deer.
just a normal deer, northern deer.
It's not a white-tailed deer.
It looks awfully dark to me.
It's a fallow deer.
A what?
Fallow deer.
Fallow deer.
Dama dama.
This one. Very pretty.
They inhabit forests in South Europe and Asia.
Oh, so they're not from here.
No.
That's why you look different. See if he wants any food.
You want some food?
He says, oh yeah, well.
Why don't you go to the bigger hole?
Yeah, if you do this down lower, it's easier.
Come here. Go this way. Oh, be nice, mister.
Oh yeah, he's rude. He's like, I have not eaten all day. Get your butt out of here. My time to shine.
Here, baby girl.
Oh no, it's falling everywhere. I don't want to anger your partner there. So, feed you both. Well, that's pretty nice.
Look at the beautiful velvet.
There is. It is very beautiful.
Antlers.
You hear all those deer making weird noises and snorting?
A beagle, I think.
A bugling? Beagle, like the chips.
I don't know. Oh, jeez.
These darker ones, I think, are the males. They're the rude ones. I'm nudging everybody.
You almost bit me. Do it up here.
It's a feeding frenzy.
It's an albino deer. Look at this deer.
It is.
Well, no, she has brown eyes.
Yeah.
What's the white
She's
one?
melanistic, maybe.
Oh my goodness.
Don't know if that's the right trait or not. What is going on here? It's like a mosh pit of deer. All right, dear. You had your food.
Ready? I'm gonna throw it. Touch.
Oh, now you're angry at all of them. Okay, see you later, dear. These deer's horns, it's real velvet, like no joke. It feels like velvet you would get like on a, I don't know, some piece of fabric. I don't think you wear a velvet coat or anything, but if you did, that's what it would feel like. This is the same donkey we fed earlier. Keeps kicking, trying to get your attention when you're not looking at him. Turn your head away. He starts kicking. Okay, well I can at least give you some pets. Those are free. Say, I don't want no pets, I want food. From a distance, this did not look real.
Oh my goodness.
However, they're very much alive. Look at these guys. These prairie dogs.
You're adorable.
He's like, I am not moving. If I don't move, they can't see me.
Oh, bug.
Bug. I think he's getting some sun. Sitting on his fat butt.
I feel like I'm asking where prairie dogs are from. I don't know. If you do, leave a comment. Let us know.
See if he follows us. Just music? Looks like a very, very dirty chicken. Very dusty. Been on that pole for a very long time, huh? This angle.
Howdy, all you unfeathered folks. Welcome to the Cackle Music Review, where all our singers are chicken to be on stage. Featuring the latest in folk music with a little humor scratched up here and there. Everybody, please put your wings together and give a warm brooder welcome to the Barnyard Banties. Barnyard chickens sing this song.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Barnyard chickens sing this song.
On the doo-dah day, we came here as little chicks.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Now we're grown and made some kids.
On the doo-dah day.
So what do you think of the barnyard chickens?
Oh, the dude that day is gonna be stuck in my head all day.
I don't think I would pay much to go see them again, but
Yeah.
it was pretty fitting for the event, I suppose.
Some of the kids area. Let's see.
It might not be working right now.
But the ducky's just like. Oh, Brock's like way ahead of me. Oh no, my ducky fell over. No! Oh man, you won.
Here he comes, tumbling down the final stretch.
Yay!
Back.
Poor ducky. So if we're still here in the fall,
Yeah, I want to do that.
this is awesome. Look at guys, it's like an apple cannon shooter, and you shoot things.
There's a big deer up there. There's a bat hanging from the poles, and then that duck thing spins around. And
That is so cool.
that is really cool. I think you're gonna fail. It's very difficult. I do have hopes. I just knew you weren't gonna get it the first time. Oh man. I'm about to give up soon. It's really slippery. Almost like getting oil on it. Get my sunscreen. There it is.
Good job. You got it.
Alright.
I'll take the backpack off for this. Ready?
You're getting serious.
Oh god, I don't even know if I can lift the camera.
Don't hit your feet. Where'd he go?
I'm a sick duck.
You're a sick duck. Come on, get your anger out.
It's heavy.
Ah, I bet.
Oh, you have to try this. It is heavy.
Sack.
Do it again.
Takes a lot.
It does. Oh, this is my favorite game in the world. Skee ball time. Pay attention, babe, because I want you to make this for me.
Pay attention. Looks like they use some silver or steel buckets, yeah.
Oh, so close.
Oh, there it is. That's the one. That's the one.
That's 20 points.
Hey, it's better than 10. I had such enthusiasm saying that. Another one, another 20. All right.
Good game.
It was. Wow, he's coming in quick.
Hi,
Yeah.
buddy.
Are you hungry? Whoa, that's weird. It feels like a hairbrush. You gotta try that.
You are a big camel, sir.
Yeah.
Or man. Hi. Do you like some food? Sorry. You can touch your, don't get your nose back.
It's like you're sticking your hand in one of those like brushes that you scrub your feet off with in the wintertime.
Is that delicious? There you go, buddy.
He's like, I have such hunger, I could just eat that whole thing.
Oh, you like it down further? Okay.
Look at this guy. I don't know if the camera does justice, but he is a large camel.
Hold on, look at it. Open up our food. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you, Fat Camel.
Hey. He's trying to get your empty bucket. Oh, he's come over top now.
Hey, Mr. Camel, what day is it? Oh, he says he's tired of that joke.
Alright, buddy.
We'll see you next time.
Until next time. Adios.
Now that he's done petting all the animals,
Time to wash my hands. I want one of those.
you gotta do it. On the farm we wash our hands, E-I-E-I-O. And on our hands we use some soap, E-I-E-I-O. With some soap spuds here and some soap spuds there. Here the scrub, there the scrub, everywhere scrub, scrub. Now it's time to wash your hands, E-I-E-I-O.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That makes me feel better now. So I had to sing the song.
Yes. It was a really fun day at Lewis's farm.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I like the goats.
I liked everything. It was really fun.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, they had so much cool animals here.
I recommend it.
Yeah, definitely come
We'll
back.
definitely be coming back for sure. If you like the video, please subscribe. And
Like,
thumbs up.
yeah, see you later.
Bye.